Good day and welcome once again to my channel. The purpose of this video tutorial is to show and highlight the step-by-step guide on how to open a Coinbase account and buy Bitcoin. And why is it important? Because there are fraudsters all over the internet posing as a reliable platform where to buy Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. Well, in my opinion, by buying this digital asset using their platforms, it's like gambling. However, till date, Coinbase platform has been very reliable, secure, and can be trusted. Well, I must say this. I'm not financially incentivized by Coinbase to do any advert on their behalf. Welcome to my channel. Grab a cup, a cup of tea, and then subscribe. Remember, our target is 500 subscribers. Thank you. Meanwhile, please watch this video a couple of times because I've created an account and I can't create another account again, but I will do my best to break it down. So take your time, at your own time, go and create an account. Now, just bear with me as I explain. Straight to the point. The first thing to do is to type in coinbase.com on your browser and this window will appear. Well, like I said, I'm not going to do it now, but I'm going to explain. And when it gets to a stage where we have to buy, I will log into my account and then we do some purchases. Okay. When you are here, then navigate and click get started, this button here. Another window will pop up. Type in your correct details here because of verification later. I mean, you'll be asked to upload a copy of your ID card or driving license if you like. And I will suggest you create a secure password. After that, another window will pop up and you then be asked to verify your email. Do so and complete the next form with your phone number. This is to keep your account secure. Thereafter, you will receive a text message on your phone. Then input the verification whatever here. Remember to provide accurate information because they will ask for a copy of your DV or ID card. Note, Coinbase will link your bank account, your debit card to your Coinbase account because at a point in time, they will ask for your bank details. So whenever you want to buy more Bitcoin, all you need to do is to move money into your card and use it because it's already set up. When you are done, then you'll be able to click on receive button to receive your Bitcoin wallet address. Okay, listen to this. This is very important. Do not confuse your BCH address as your BTC wallet address. Why is it important? Because in the course of a transaction, if you are doing any transaction rather, if you send the wrong wallet address rather, say BCH instead of BTC wallet, your Bitcoin will be lost forever. And here again, please. At least for now, no way of recovering them. So click the receive button within the BTC wallet, which will prompt you to verify your account. Your ID card will be uploaded directly into the Coinbase platform. Thereafter, it will be verified to confirm it is you. Once you've been identified, click on the receive. You should be able to receive your Bitcoin wallet address. So copy it and input it into the registration form. You could do copy and paste. Okay, now let us buy some Bitcoin. Okay, before I go on, let me inform you that Bitcoin can be divided into hardware and software wallet. What do I mean? Okay, the software wallet are programs or application that runs on your computers and mobile devices. Hardware wallet are small and physical devices like this that you can connect your computer to and send and receive Bitcoin in a very secure way. I think perhaps you want me to break it down. No worries, I got your back. Well, let's say as a beginner, and if you do not have much money, I will suggest you start by buying a fraction of Bitcoin. In that case, a free software wallet like the one you receive through Coinbase platform is just as good. Meanwhile, if you intend to buy a large amount, of Bitcoin. Well, it's safe to store it in a hardware wallet like this. That said, so let us buy some Bitcoin. Let me quickly log into my account. I'm going to click sign in. Another window will pop up. Allow me to put my email address. Then I will put my password. What's going to happen now? Well, it's going to ask me to verify. If you pass through that process, you're going to get this exactly. So it's going to say, I'm going to be looking at my phone now, and I'm going to input these numbers. Okay. Just to secure your account anyway. Okay, let's go. And this number keep changing. It's not, it's fluid. It keep changing. Here we are. And then click verify. And it's going to take me to my account. So now, what do we want to do here? We want to buy some Bitcoin. Okay, just give it some time. It's loading up. Now, let me go to my portfolio. If I click on my portfolio, it's going to take me here. And let me look for Bitcoin. I want to buy more Bitcoin, for instance. Let me click on Bitcoin. And I click on buy. So what do I get? Let's say I want to buy like 10 quid of Bitcoin. You watch what's going to happen. If I click preview, you see what happened? Out of my 10 pounds that I want to buy, it's taking some commission. Well, I'm very okay with this. You will realize that I've been charged, in my opinion. This amount, it's alright. I'm knowing that my money is safe. This is a very good idea. It doesn't get better than this. Now, if I click buy, it's going to go through a process. And if you watch closely, you will realize that I've linked an account to this, which is this account. So what's going to happen is it's going to take money from this account. But I'm not going to go through this process now because I'm not buying. This is an example. Okay, that's it. I believe this has been very useful. And then you should check my another video titled Bitcoin, Blockchain, and Cryptocurrencies Simplified. You'll see the clip at the end of this video. It's saying decline because I'm not buying anyway. Okay, now here comes the best part. Remember, our goal is 500 subscribers. Please subscribe, like, and comment. The goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.